Hi guys, welcome my live today. Ayan, so we're going to live for my accessories. Nahulog ang aking isang, gosh, sorry. Nahulog yung isang accessory ko, nagpapansin siya. Guys, comment lang kayo or screenshot nyo kung sino pong gustong bumili ha. So, I'm gonna show you one by one yung mga accessories ko guys. Ibebenta ko na po siya ngayon, yung mga accessories ko kasi hindi ko na rin po siya talaga magagamit. Most especially, lagi na po akong pumunta sa ibang bansa and then ang dami ko pa pong mga accessory na parating. Ayun po ay ibebenta ko din po, no? Actually, hindi po ako makaalis ngayon dahil hinihintay ko po yung isang box na malaki galing po ng Hong Kong. So ngayon, ibebenta ko po ngayon yung mga accessories ko. Abangan nyo po kasi mura na lang siya. Okay? It's better na maibenta ko siya guys kaysa naman po masira no dito sa loob ng bahay. So ayan guys, abangan nyo po. So unahin ko po yung set by set and then pagkatapos yung mga earrings. So mostly ng mga earrings ko hindi ko pa po yan nagamit. And then sayang kasi naalikabukan na siya and then medyo nagda-dark na yung kulay ng iba. Sayang naman guys. So ayan, so, umpisa natin sa ano guys, sa set by set, no? Ayan. So, wait lang pala guys, i-share ko muna yung aking live sa mga kakilala at sa mga friends. Ayan guys. So, ang swerte nyo na guys, no? Kasi itong live selling ko ngayon, no? Bagsak presyo po ito. Para po ito sa inyong lahat. Ayan, abangan nyo po guys. And pakishare po ng live ko kasi para at least ma-share po sa mga friends na ayan, mura lang po yung mga accessories natin, no? From sets, earrings, and then rings, and then later yung mga kwintas. Andun pa pala sa taas yung mga kwintas guys, hindi ko pa naibaba. Then after this, no, after ng mga accessories ko guys, I'm going to sell all the clothes. Sobrang dami as in, no, ibebenta ko po yung mga damit ko. Then ngayon guys, paki-share po ng live ko, abangan nyo po, no, wait lang po at mag-share lang po ako sa aking mga friends. Share lang po natin guys, no, please keep on sharing my live para ma-share natin sa mga friends. So, mag-share lang po ako guys. Then, sa ibang keep on sharing guys, i-share ko lang sa mga friends. Ayan guys, magsimula na po tayo kasi ang dami ko na pong na-share no sa mga kakilala. So, simula po tayo sa bisets. Ayan, guys, ang ganda ng accessory ko. Nakita nyo yan? So, ayan. Ito po ay green. So, ayan, if you, ang birthstone mo ay green, ayan, bagay po yan sa inyo guys. So, ito, ang kwintas niya po ay ganito. So, tanggalin natin guys. Naku, nalaglag. Sorry. Ano ba yan? So, ganito po yung kwintas niya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan po yung kwintas niya. Ganyan po siya pag sinuot, okay? So, eto naman po yung bracelet niya. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bracelet niya, guys. 'Di ba? So, green. So, tawag dito. Green. Green is emerald, right? So, emerald, if you are born in the year of color green, then bagay po yan sa inyo. Ayan po yung kwintas niya, guys. Suot ko, 'di ba? Ang ganda. So, ang ganda niya, so meron siyang hikaw, so meron siyang necklace, bracelet, earrings, and ring. So, yan, yung ring niya. So, yung ring niya size is, I think this one is size 5. Kasi size 4 ako, medyo maluwang siya. Ayan. So, meron siyang stones, no, sa gilid na white. So, emerald white, gold, ang, ano niya. So, ayan guys, no? So, eto po, ang isang set, ibibigay ko na lang ng 500 pesos. Isang set, guys. So, very good price, no? Kasi binili ko po talaga ito ng libo-libo. So, binili ko po ito. Mostly ng accessory ko, binili ko po siya ng 1,000 and up. Okay, so, ito guys. So, tignan ko lang yung chain. So, meron pa naman, negotiable pa naman. I-check ko pa naman siya guys kung, ay shit, sorry, nalaglag na naman siya. Kailangan hindi ko siya ilagay dito sa tabi ko. Kasi, nalalaglag siya guys. Sorry. Anyway, mamaya ko na lang i-ano yun. Mamaya ko na lang yun i-share, guys. So, ayan no, ayun yung green. Okay? Ayan guys, screenshot nyo na lang. Next, magne-next na tayo. Next, nalaglag yung earrings niya guys. Ganito yung earrings niya, pink. So this one, year of October. When you are born in the year of October, then this is for you. Okay, so this one is for you. Bagay siya. So meron siyang kwintas. So malalaki yung bato. Then stainless steel. Malaki yung bato guys. And then yung singsing niya is ganito. Ang ganda ng singsing niya. So ang ganda ng singsing niya. And then ang ganda ng ring niya guys. Pa-share na lang ako. Yung ring niya is ganito. Pasensya na mahaba yung kuko ng lola mo. So ganito yung ano niya, earrings niya guys. Okay? So ayan yung earrings niya. So ito naman set ng necklace, ring at saka earrings. So wala siyang bracelet. Isang set. So this I can give for 258 pesos only. 258 pesos only. Isang set na po siya. Okay? So ayan. So if you're asking me about the kung maitim siya, so ang kwintas lang po medyo konting ano siya, nag-dark pero nagagamit siya talaga. Then yung ring ko is still good, in good condition with the earrings and then pati yung pendant, okay? 258 pesos only. Okay, next. So magne-next na tayo. That is pink, no? And let me check muna yung mga ano para at least alam ko yung mga birthstone ninyo, guys. Birthstone, share natin ha. Wait lang. Names of stones. So, andito ka siya, lalabas yung mga birthday, ayan, ruby, birthstones. Tingnan natin yung birthstones. Andito kasi yung mga birthstones. Ayan, guys. So, check natin yung mga, anyway, alam nyo naman yung mga birthstones nyo, di ba? So, ito lang, isi-share ko na lang yung mga kinds of stones na lang, gems. Wait lang guys ha, dito ko na lang siya tingnan sa aking page. So, follow nyo po yung page ko, no? Yung mga pages ko kasi, ayan. So, let's go to this one. Oh, wait lang guys. I-share ko pala itong aking live sa aking mga page. I forgot. So, i-share ko lang siya sa page ko, which is the uh, BLG Online Shop. Okay? Follow nyo po guys yung page ko, yung mga pages ko, which is the BLG Online Shop. So, isi-send ko po dyan mamaya sa comment section. Ang swerte nyo guys, kasi mura na lang benta ko. So, share sa BLG Online Shop and then sa BLG Jewelries and Accessories. Again, BLG Jewelries and Accessories. Kasi we are on accessories, no? So, tomorrow, abangan nyo yung, pag may time ako, tomorrow, abangan nyo din yung mga damit. So, ayan, guys. Keep on sharing, guys. So, ayan. Last na to, guys. Wait lang po. Be patient. Abangan nyo talaga. Hindi ka, wag nyong i-miss itong ano ko na to. Itong live ko na to, guys. Swerte nyo dito. Yung ibang mga accessories ko, guys, yung ibang accessories ko hindi ko pa nagamit. So, i-share ko sa inyo. Okay. Ito na pala. So, ayan. So, ayan, para at least alam nyo yung mga birthstone ninyo. Okay? Next, guys, no, nakita nyo na yung green, yung pink, and then let's go to the purple one. So, iba-ibang kulay po yung isi-share ko sa inyo, no? So, purple is year of the February, which is the amethyst. Amethyst. Test. Bisaya, pasensya na. Okay, so this ones comes with the necklace, earrings, ring, and bangle. Okay, so this one is purple. So yung stones niya, maganda pa yung mga stones niya. Medyo may gas-gas nga lang yung steel niya kasi stainless kasi siya. Nagamit ko na siya. So may gas-gas siya guys. But look kung gaano kaganda. I-zoom ko pa yan sa inyo para at least malaman nyo. Okay? So ayan guys, ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda. So most especially guys, yung may mga anak na mga teenager or yung mga bata mahilig mag-accessories. Okay, ayan guys, no. Binili ko po ito ng I think 1,000 plus or yeah, binili ko po siya ganyan. Benta ko na lang po ng 258 pesos. Guys, 258 pesos. Ito po. Screenshot guys, 258 pesos only. So ang ganda pa ng mga bato niya. If you have year, this one is when you born in February. Okay, February bagay siya sa inyo. February guys. Ayan yung birthstones nyo, no? Mura na lang siya guys kasi nagamit ko na yung bangle, medyo may gas-gas na siya. Okay? Ayan. And shout out to all of the OFWs out there kasi pwede nyo pong bilhin ito, bigay sa mga apo, pamangkin, no, ninyo, mura na yan. Sobrang mura na yan, guys. You cannot find ganitong price no na binibigay ko sa inyo. Okay? Next, let's go to orange color. Orange is here is a month of November, guys. Month of November. So, ayan, month of November, the design is like this. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng design niya, 'di ba? So design is like this, month of November. Abangan nyo guys. So ito guys, since medyo gas-gas ng konti yung bangle, so I can give this to wait, i-check ko lang yung bangle, yung earrings naman no problem. And then yung aking ring, let me see the ring. Ang ring may konting gas-gas siya. Okay. So yung pendant ko is very looks new, konting-konti lang ang gasgas niya guys. And then, so with my bangle. So this one, I can give this same price siguro 258 pesos only. Okay, 258 pesos only, guys. With all set na siya. Meron siyang necklace, earrings, ring, and bangle. Konting gasgas lang yan, guys. Pwede pa yung gamitin ng taon. Okay? So, ginagamit ko po siya. It's more than a year. Actually, no, yung iba dito, guys, no, pandemic time, hindi naman natin nasusuot or before COVID ko siya binili. And then, nasuot ko lang siya ngayon nung umaalis na. Nung after, no, pandemic, I think mga before COVID, pero at least matibay kasi stainless. Ayan, 258 pesos only. Ayan, guys. Okay? So, ayan. Ang mahal po nito, ang set po nito is 1,000. Okay? 1,000 po ito. So, next one is a gray. So, the gray is a year when you are, so wala. So, I don't know may white naman siya. So, anong year mo? So, wala siya. Okay, so this one is gray. May stones siya sa gilid. Wait lang. Hawakan natin baka malaglag. So may stones po siya sa gilid. Okay, this one. Ayan, guys. Guys. Meron po siyang stones sa gilid. Okay, ganito po yung design ng bangle. Medyo may gas-gas na din po yung bangle. Of course, nagamit ko na. But not much. Hindi masyadong gas-gas, no? Ito. Ang ganda ng stones niya. Color gray. Ay, may natanggal lang pong stone sa gilid pala ng bangle. Ayan, may tatanggal na stones. So, for the earrings is good condition. Okay, for the ring, may konting gas-gas. As in, ayan, sa ilalim lang naman. And then, for the pendant nito, itong gray, good condition yung pendant. Konting gas-gas lang din yung, yung chain niya. Okay? So, ayan, guys. So, for this one, I can give same price, 250 pesos only. Ayan, guys. Yan. Pwede po yan sa mga anak nyo, mga daughters nyo, na mga maaarte, mahilig mag-accessory. Ayan. And then, for the next one is colorful, mixed colors. Very beautiful. Kay dito, ito naman hindi ko masyado siya nagamit, guys, no? So, hindi ko ito siya masyadong nagamit. So, I can give this siguro. Let me check muna, ha? Kasi tine-check ko kung may wala ito masyadong gas-gas. So, ito ay colorful. When you wear this one, no? You can also wear white, gray, red, pink, um, light brown, green, ayan, bagay po siya sa mga ganong colors because of colorful. And black, bagay na bagay po siya sa black. Okay, bagay na bagay po yan sa black. For this one, ang isang set ko is 500 pesos na lang. 508, wag mo nang tanggalin yung 8 pesos kasi nga, yun ay infinity. For me, is very swerte. So this one, hindi ko masyado siya nagamit. Okay? For one set, guys, ayan. So, negotiable pa if you buy many sets, no? Sa akin, I can still give you a discount. Okay? Ayan, guys. Bagong-bago. Okay? Bagong-bago for this. Screenshot nyo lang kung gusto nyo. And then, you can do conversation with me and I'll give you the discount. Okay, next is the pearl. So, ayan. Yung mga month of June. Ayan, June. So, mahilig kayo sa pearl. So, ito maganda talaga to, guys. Nung sinuot ko to, ang ganda. Social ang dating. Okay? Ayan, social ang dating niyan. So, may kwintas po yan. Ilalagay ko din later on. So, ayan, social po ang dating niya. So, this one is kung pinanganak ka ng month of June. So, pearl. So, this one is June. Month of June. Pearl po siya. So, ayan. Ayan po. Ayan, medyo fade na rin yung yung bangle niya, no? Sa ilalim lang naman, not in the front. Okay, ayan po siya. You see? Halata ba? Ayan, pearl. And this one, ang earring niya, guys. So, same lang po yung design ng earrings niya. Look, okay, may bato-bato sa gilid, pearl sa gitna. Okay, so, ayan yung sing-sing niya is in good condition. Ayan, may fade lang sa ilalim yung sing-sing ilalim. Normal kasi sinusuot ko di ba? So, normal siya. Ayan. Okay? Ito, I can give you, let me check muna yung mga earrings niya. And then the pendant is also. Okay, this one I can give also same price na lang. Like yan, 258 na lang din. 258 na lang din. Nagamit ko na kasi siya. 258 pesos na lang. Ayan guys, 258. If you are asking me if ano yung shipment ko is Lalamove for Manila and Cavite area, and then for provinces is either LBC or GNT. Okay? So ayan guys, maganda yung accessories ko. So if you are attending yung mga party, ayan, pwedeng-pwede po yan. Okay? So for this one is blue. Okay, blue. Anong year, anong month ang blue? So for the blue one is, let's see, since this is dark, so this is for December. No, this one is dark, so this is September. Okay, this one is September. So it comes with the necklace, bracelet, earrings, and ring. So yung ring niya medyo malaki ang size. Pwede mong lagyan ng stopper sa ilalim. Kasi ako guys, no, pag sinusuot ko siya, either dito sa side na to or sa gitna, nilalagyan ko siya ng stopper. Okay? You still use by using the stopper. Maganda, in good condition yung mga bato niya in front. Okay? In good condition yung mga bato in front, guys, no? Then, still the same. No, this one is fade yung ilalim. Let me see. Yung bracelet is in good condition. I can give to 258 still. Okay? 258 guys, still. Kasi maganda yung mga bato. 258 na lang po yan, isang set. Guys, okay? 258 blue and white. Yan. May crystals niya. So, next one is andito. Ito, bagong-bago ito, guys. So, I think I use this once only. Isang beses ko lang nagamit. So, this one is a bit expensive pa kasi isang beses ko lang siya nagamit, guys. So, this one is, since this one is a month of August. So, if your birthday is August, oh, sorry, nalaglag. Maya ko na yan, maya ko na po siya hanapin, nalaglag na. Kasi nga, di ba, nalaglag siya. So, ayan, zoom ko na lang, guys, zoom. Month of August, guys. Ayan, maganda pa siya. In good condition. Ayan, guys. In good condition. Ayan. Ayan, since nagamit ko naman siya, I can give this to, how much ba? Ang ganda pa ng earrings niya, kwintas niya, earrings. So, I can give this to 598 na lang. 598 kasi nagamit ko. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-price ng 1,000 kasi nagamit ko na siya. Okay, so I can give this to 598. So, month of August. Okay? And this one is cheap na lang, okay? So, kasi medyo kasi sa hindi ko siya nagamit, guys. I think I used this only once. Gosh, sayang. No, sayang talaga siya. Kasi if you check talaga how much is it, no? Even, I'll let you to check, okay? You check naman. You can go sa Divisoria. You can go sa 168. You can go sa 999, you can go the accessories. You know, I bought recently like 2,500 pesos. I bought that amount, no, with the watch. No, and then I also bought some accessories there, 2,000 talaga. Imagine you guys, no. Okay, for this one is Gucci. For this one is Gucci design. So medyo umitim yung bato niya but still can use, no. Gucci design but still can use, guys, no. So I can give this to 198 pesos, including the bangle, the necklace, and the earrings. Wala po siyang sing-sing. 200 pesos or 198. Ayoko gusto ko may 8 kasi. Okay? Gosh! Nung binili ko siya, ng magkanong bili ko, almost 1K, tapos benta ko lang ng 200. Diba? Kasi hindi naman na, oh my gosh! Guys, can you imagine that one? So this one naman is orange. Ito naman nawala yung bracelet niya, no, na laglag ko yata. So ito guys, I can give this to since 258 I think yung blue kasi meron pa siyang bracelet, to ito na lang 198 pesos. Ang swerte nyo, okay? 198 necklace, earrings, and ring. You can give it a gift to your children. So the bato is in good condition still. Okay, the next one, ito naman ay pearl. So, pearl guys, as I said, if you are born in the month of June, then this one is for you. Pearl set. Then I use this, I think, once. Once. In good condition still, guys. No, in good condition. Okay, magkano yung bigay ko sa isa? 598, tama? Yung isa, anong design ba yung 598 ko kanina? Yung good condition. Ito pala siya. August, month of August in good condition, no? 598. And then this one in good condition also. But this one is pearl. Okay. So I can check. Kasi ito wala taga, as in wala siyang gasgas. Okay, so wala siyang gasgas. So one set, guys, no? So I can give this to, ito na lang guys, 658 na lang. Isang set. 658. Okay. Ayan. Bagong-bago yan. Ito naman once, I use once. Okay. Ito talaga mahal. As in, 2,500 in Robinsons Mall. And this one is what we call Carotora. So this one is Carotora, guys. Okay, this one is Carotora, and the bato is in good condition. I bought this to 2,500, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But that will be the price. I don't know how much now in Robinsons Mall. You can go and check for the Carotora set with the necklace, earrings, and ring, no? Ayan, and this one I can give you is 558 pesos. Okay, check in Robinsons Mall. I will let you to go. Okay? 558 pesos. In good condition ng bato. And even the ring is still in good condition. So I bought this 2,500 pesos and now I'm giving you the 500 pesos only. Okay? Okay, guys. And then next is, which one? Do a screenshot if you want, then we can do conversation and I give you a discount if marami kang kukunin. And this one is also a set, medyo natanggal yung bato ng ring. Okay? So if you like to wear, like if you have so many holes, marami kang butas, okay, dito sa tainga mo, so you can use this one by ganyan. So blue, blue, blue. If you are wearing blue dress, then you can use blue, 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 no, lahat. So it's very cheap. So this one I can give you to 158 pesos only. 158 pesos only, guys, with the earrings and the ring. 158 pesos only. And this one, guys, I have a Chanel earrings, no, na I use it once, but because I always go traveling, medyo ano nadumihan na siya, umitim, but you can kiss to make it shiny, no? Kasi I use it once only. This is a Chanel design. Okay, earrings na ito naman yung gold color niya, gold color, and then this one is silver color. Chanel design. Okay, for the Chanel design, silver color, ito, I can give you this one na lang to, buy one, take one na lang, guys, then I give you to 198 pesos. Kasi nagamit ko na siya eh. 198 pesos only. Okay? Ayan, guys. Ayan, nakita nyo yung bisets ko, di ba? So, meron pa akong bisets dito. Ayan, madami siya. It comes with the bracelet. Ayan, guys. So if you want with the bracelet, ayan, and then it comes with the earrings with the heart design. Ayan, guys, ang ganda ng bracelet na to. So this one I can give you to 198. 198 pesos, guys. Okay? 198. And this one I can give you 158 pesos. Ang ganda ng design niya, heart shape. And this one, since gamit ko na siya, I can give you na lang to 68. No, 50. 50 na lang, 50 na lang. Kasi medyo may gasgas ng konti. Ayan, may gasgas. 50 pesos na lang. And for the earrings, guys, I can give you to, ito, 30 na lang to. 38 pesos. Kasi medyo may ano na siya, gas-gas konti. For the earrings. Okay, guys, for the earrings, 38 pesos. For the ring for the earrings, guys, ayan, earrings. Stainless steel, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng design nito. Ayan, 88 pesos. I give you in good condition, 88 pesos. 88 pesos. And the pendant is 100 pesos, guys. Ayoko ibenta, ang ganda ng design nitong pendant na to. Mahirap siya hanapin. Heart shape. So for the ring, so isang set na lang bilhin nyo kasi puro siya heart shape. Okay? For the ring, ayan. I can give you this one, 50 pesos. Or 38 na lang kasi nagamit ko. 38 pesos. And for this one, earrings na ano siya, duglings. So like this, duglings siya. Ang cute niya. Ang cute ng design niya, heart. So ayan, ang cute ng design niya, guys. Heart. Ayan, this one. Dalawa siya, pair. Okay? So yan. For the earrings, I can give to in good condition pa kasi ito siya, guys, no? Parang once ko lang siya nagamit. So I can give this to 200 pesos na lang for this one. Ang ganda niya, oh. Or 198 pesos. Okay? So, and then for the necklace naman is maganda pa rin siya. For the necklace, guys, ang ganda ng design ng necklace ko. Ayan. Same na lang siya. 200 pesos. 208 na lang ito. Necklace, 208 pesos. Okay, yan guys. So, I think, para ano siya, para at least, no, medyo magulo. Kasi ang dami pang mga earrings, guys, no? Ang dami ko pang earrings. I think, live ko na lang siya later. Yung mga earrings na tayo. So, this one is for all the sets muna. I give you all the sets, guys. At least, mabilis, no, na ma-check nyo. Kung may gusto kayo, pwede nyo i-share yung live ko. And then, we can do it tomorrow na lang kasi I'm going to work again, go back to work because I keep on posting. I keep on posting my accessories, guys, no? I post it in my pages, which is the BLG online shop, BLG Jewelries and Accessories. My carousel is, BLG Fashion PH. That's my carousel. And then also my what else? I have in Instagram also. I keep on posted, no, konti na yung followers doon. And then guys, this one, no, I do live selling now. I give it to a lower price, mababang price siya, guys, kasi nga I'm always in another country. So I must go. I cannot stay here. Alam nyo naman na I do buy and sell also, 'di ba? And also buying stuff, holiday, vacation, and then I keep on looking mga items sa ibang bansa where I can sell to Philippines. And then of course, since I started to travel abroad or travel another country, um my things here at home, no, is naaalikabukan. So since hindi ko na siya nagagamit, guys, no, I sell it to a lower price. Okay, so sa lower price, you can see all of the things here, from my earrings, my ring, my pendant, all I can sell it to a cheaper price. Okay, so if I buy it to 100, I will sell it to 3 for 100 pesos only. Okay, I will sell it to 50 pesos down and 3 for 100 pesos only. And with my sets of accessories, mura na po yan. And I can give you a better price if you buy one, if you buy at least 2 or more. Okay? If you're going to buy 2 or more, guys, then I'm going to give you a good discount. Okay? So, kasi hindi ko na siya, pag wala ako dito, guys, no, hindi ko na siya naaasikaso, sayang naman. Okay, it's better to give a lower price than masira siya or maalikabukan or mag-itim siya, no? So, better. Kasi ang accessories, guys, no, based in my experience, you'll need to use it always. Lagi mo siyang gamitin para hindi siya masira. No, kasi mahilig po ako talaga sa accessories before, but I changed my mind. Itong nagmamature na tayo, so bagay siya sa mga teenagers. And then, of course, same age like me, but when you go partying, no, kasi there's a lot na lang talaga. Sobrang dami na, and then I have coming from another country. Maabangan nyo yun, guys, mga accessories ko, bags, perfumes, mga items ko, abangan nyo po yun. And then I'm planning to go another country, either Macau, Hong Kong, or Singapore. Abangan nyo, guys, ang travel ko. But now, let's do this. Keep on sharing my live selling to friends, and then tomorrow we're going to live again para at least hindi naman boring. So for now, I share to you my sets of accessories, and then tomorrow I'm gonna share to you how much will be the earrings. Okay? The earrings, ayan. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on my live selling tomorrow. Bye. God bless us all.